1.8 crore कम वाली Lamborghini Urus है यार. Same engine, same platform even. पर Lamborghini Urus का प्राइस 4.5 crore है और ये सिर्फ 1.7 crore की है. पर क्यों? Wait for it. बटन से होता है ये. Touch controls in the passenger room. Civic sense is this, not all the reels that we are seeing. What car am I driving today?
अरे उठ जाओ, शूट करना है. गुड मॉर्निंग.
मैं एक्चुअली सो गई थी क्या? Wow, this boot is so comfortable, dude. I'm not kidding. Feels like a bed. This exhaust note has just put me to sleep. I could sleep with that. Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. याद हूँ ना मैं वही मोटरसाइकिल बाइक पगलू और आजकल गाड़ियां भी चला रही है. इनफैक्ट आज मेरे साथ ये जो गाड़ी खड़ी है ये सिर्फ लास्ट वीक लॉन्च हुई है यार. दिस इज द न्यू Audi SQ8 और मैं अभी बता रही थी ना इसकी सेम इंजन आपको Lamborghini Urus और कोई बेंटलीज में भी मिलता है. तो फिर डिफरेंस क्या है बता रही हूँ. Check out the power figures of the Lamborghini Urus, the RSQ8 and now the SQ8. Difference बहुत है ना? That's because these two are tuned for a much higher performance, almost manic. And then the SQ8 has more of a chill, slightly lower tuned performance. And that is why in तीनों के figures इतने different हैं, even though they share the same engine. अभी करते हैं engine की बात. 0 to 100 in just 4.1 seconds. This mad 4-cylinder V8 makes 770 Nm of torque and 507 horsepower. Hearing that freaking rumble. Oh yes. This is a V8 turbo, right? And because it's such a special engine, it has special needs. Castrol Edge has been validated across key factors that matter to every driver when it comes to extracting peak performance from their engine. In fact, it's been tested in high-stress simulations inspired by the world's most challenging F1 circuits like Monaco and Shanghai and has surpassed 7 critical factors like engine power, high temperature performance, extreme pressure, and many more. And let's not forget, Castrol is now the tech partner for the Audi Revolut F1 team. So it can't just be about simulations, can it? It's all being proven on real racetracks. Driving और वो manic engine के अलावा, here's the small things in this car that you get which make them super special. यार, this for me is so hot यार, so hot. So much glare is also coming. मेरे हाथ दुखते हैं यार वो ऐसे करने के लिए sunshade के साथ. पर Audi में मुझे ये सब करना नहीं पड़ता है. बटन से होता है ये. और अभी I need some wit D, so let me just button again and push the same button. और ये हो जाते हैं painless windows. विट्टी भी मिल गया. 3 screens, one for the driver and all the data. एक जो entertainment के लिए है और एक solely for climate control यार. And this is not just touch screen. It is haptic and you also get some buttons. This to basically change your driving modes. Dynamic is where I have been driving all of today. And then you've got these settings over here. You've got this beautiful shifter, very Audi Quattro like. Then you've got a little trash can here as well. And then you've got like a charging pad here, huge one. I'm gonna place my phone there. And a little space for your key fob and your house keys or whatever. overall a very, very, very spacious cockpit. Touch controls in the passenger row, yaar. A cutie सा trash can on either side, जिसका कचरा आप ऐसे रोड पे मत फेंकना. Please go to an actual trash can and chuck the trash from this. Civic sense is this, not all the reels that we are seeing. Civic sense, really. ये soft closed doors. This one's wearing 22-inch wheels, carbon ceramic brakes, and these beautiful red brake calipers with that S on them. And iski storage, yaar. I have literally wanted to space this out itna ki aap dekh pao ki itna deep hai iska storage. So this is a perfect luxury plus sport plus daily car to own if you're rich. Which I'm not. That's how Audi sent it to me. Okay, so guys, इसका जो cost है, it is 1.7 crores, which means that this is 50 lakhs cheaper than the range-topping RSQ8, and this is 2.8 crores cheaper than the Lamborghini Urus. But then again, if you're looking for a car that's sporty, sounds as good as this, has the same engine as like a freaking Urus and the RSQ8, but you don't have that kind of money, this is a brilliant option क्योंकि ये क्या भागती है, इसका performance भी बहुत ही अच्छा है, it's very very comfortable for your passengers and it's an overall super special car. Anyway, कैसी लगी आपको नई Audi SQ8 ज़रूर बताना comments में while I take a nap in the boot क्योंकि it's I mean AC is very very nice inside. तो आई थिंक मैं थोड़ा नैप ले लेती हूँ while you आप ले लोगे ना B-roll थोड़ा. ओके, तो कितना टाइम लगेगा आपको? अच्छा ठीक है, तो देखो मैं तो सो जा रही हूँ. नाइस नैप टाइम ब्रो. आई होप दिस डजंट हिट मी.